So, ayan guys, showcase ko lang sa inyo ang ating Shining Radiance guys. Ayan. Ito yung ating Shining Radiance in-game event. So, ayan. Ito guys, mayroon tayong tutorial and guide dito. Ayan. Before ko explain yung kung paano doon sa iba, ito muna, basahin ko muna yung guide natin. Ayan. Participate in the event and complete task to get a random basic skin chest. Ayan guys. Labo ng mata ko. And other rewards. Ayan. Daily task. Ito sa daily task guys ha. Ito yung mga rules dito. Ito. Each day, each daily task must be completed under the specified conditions. Ayan. Daily task will be refreshed every day. Ayan. Every day siya guys. Nagre-refresh siya. Pag nakuha nyo na ngayon, tomorrow ulit. Ayan. Please remember to claim your rewards each day. Ayan. Battle related tasks can be completed in Classic Rank, Brawl, Magic Chest, and MLBB Rising Sun. Ayan, doon. Makakuha kayo guys ng ano kapag kayan. Kayo dyan guys. Naglaro kayo dyan. Then, sa login task naman guys, each login task must be completed under the specified conditions. Each login task rewards can only be claimed once. Ayan. Please remember to claim your rewards before the end of the event. Ayan guys. So ito guys, saan to? Kung paano to? Ayan. Ito yung ating rewards na makukuha guys. So dito muna tayo sa daily task. Ayan. Yung daily task natin, ayan, complete 1 match. Mayroon din win 1 match. Mayroon din complete 2 matches. Ayan, log into the game. Ayan, mayroon po yang tagfa 5 at key of light. Ayan, may key of light po guys na may bibigay. Pag nagawa nyo yan, mga ano natin dyan. Mga task natin dyan. Ayan. Yan yung ating daily task ha. Sa login task naman guys, ito, login for 6 days, login for 8 days, login for 2 days, login for 4 days. Ayan guys. Meron naman kayong 10 key of light na makukuha. Ito gawin nyo to guys. Ayan, meron tagte 10 key of light. Ayan. So, ano naman ang makukuha natin dito guys? Ayan. Pag umabot kayo, ito lang ang labo. 150 key of light guys. Ito, pwede nyo na itong makuha dito sa ating exchange. Ito. Ating random basic skin chest. Ayan. Ito guys, meron kayo. Open to randomly get to one of the following. Pakito, Death of Blow, ayan. Tamos, Lord of the Rit, Basha, Wild Tolem Batal, ito guys, basta. Atlas, mayroon ding Odette, Black Swan, then Kagura, Flower Season, ayan. Beatrix, tapos Claude, mayroon ding Natalia, then mayroon ding Badang, ayan guys. So, ayan po yung ating makukuha dito sa random basic skin chest. Ayan. So, meron din iba makukuha guys like double XP, ano ba na? Double expert card. Then, double VP card. Ayan, 1 day. Meron ding epic skin trial card pack. Ayan, syempre, meron ding Empire Chevalier. Ayan. Then, exchange tuloy. Meron ding hero fragment, meron ding small emblem pack. Ayan guys, depende kung ilan ang required dito guys. So, ito isa lang naman. Ay, hindi ko pala pwedeng gagalawin to kasi konti lang naman yung kailangan dito. Ito lang talagang importante guys. Kailangan natin ng 150. So, ako, mayroon akong 80 key of light. 80 pala yung aking key of light guys. So, kailangan nating umabot ng 150 para makakuha din tayo dito ulit. Then, ito guys, itong Shining Radiance natin, mayroon na lang kayong 13 days, 1 hour and 55 minutes. Ayan. Para gawin ito. Then, so ayan, Radiant Shine, get your free skin with is, ayan. So, ayan, ano pa inantay nyo guys? Ayan, play na everyday. Ayan, maraming salamat. Thank you for watching. Yan po yung ating Shining Radiance. Ayan.